Hey guys! For today's video, i-review ko itong pinakamagandang RedDoorz na napuntahan ko so far. I've been to Castle North Caloocan, Nasugbo, Batangas at ngayon ito namang RedDoorz Atimonan at Sefa Hotel and Resort na matatagpuan dito sa Atimonan, Quezon Province. So let's go inside the hotel. Sa mga pupuntang south dyan, like Albay, to see the Mayon Volcano, ay madadaanan nyo itong RedDoorz Sefa Hotel. Kung napagod at inantok na kayo sa biyahe, ay pwedeng kayong mag-stop over at mag-overnight dito. Mababait ang mga staff nila dito, maganda ang view, malinis ang room, at ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito ay itong mga pagkain nila, na bukod sa mura ay masarap pa. Sa pinakadulo nitong video ay ilalagay ko ang picture ng menu nila. Kung pupunta kayo dito ay pwede nyo itong orderin. At kung titingnan nyo ang rates at reviews nila sa Google, halos lahat ng mga nag-rate sa kanila ay 5 star. Bukod dyan ay pwede din kayong dumaan o pumunta doon sa may Serena para makapagpa-picture kayo. 10 minutes away lang yon dito sa hotel. Ang room rates nila dito ay 1,500 for single room, can accommodate up to 2 packs, and 2,500 for twin room, can accommodate up to 4 packs. Meron silang Wi-Fi connections, air-conditioned and smoke-free rooms, hot and cold shower, towels and toiletries, dresser and cabinet, cable TV per single room, and a smart TV per twin room. Parking spaces and designated smoking area, 24 hours front desk, and pet-friendly with corresponding fee of 500 pesos. Ang check-in time nila dito ay 2 p.m. at ang check-out is 12 noon the next day.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
At ang isa pa sa pwede nyong pasyalan dito sa Atimonan, Quezon ay itong Bitukang Manok. Bitukang Manok is a famous zigzag road located in Atimonan, Quezon, Philippines. This winding road got its unique name, which means chicken intestines in English, due to its narrow and curvy path resembling the twists and turns of chicken intestines. It's known for its scenic beauty and challenging drive, making it a popular route for adventure seekers and road trip enthusiasts. The Bitukang Manok Road offers breathtaking views of lush forests and coastal landscapes, adding to its charm and allure. While it can be a thrilling experience to navigate, drivers need to exercise caution due to its sharp bends and steep inclines. I put the link at the end of this video para mapanood nyo ang kabuoang video nitong Bitukang Manok Road na na-experience ko.